my god. These tacos de carnitas came out incredible. Let me show you how I make them. Cilantro, limes, 1 onion, corn tortillas, white rice that I forgot to record, 12-hour sous vide pork shoulder. Here are the ingredients. Beans, you can use any type you like. I season with chicken bouillon, garlic powder, and black pepper. We pour the beans in a pot with all the juices, add water and the seasonings, and we boil until thickened. Be mindful of salt. Chop the cilantro, wash it. We use later for rice and garnish. Get your limes, cut them, save some for garnish, and juice the rest. Get your onion and finally chop it. I had to switch knives for this part. Important tip, take your time here. Practice makes perfect. You do not want to cut your fingers off. We get our cooked rice, put it into a bowl, and season with lime juice and some cilantro. Always taste your food as you cook. Get your pork shoulder into a bowl. Que rico. Use hands or forks to shred. Add juices from bag and mix. Spread evenly on a sheet pan and place in oven on the highest broil setting until the pork has some color, like this. Now, we start to plate. First, the cilantro lime rice, beans over the rice. Of course, I forgot to film the tacos, but here it is. Buen provecho. The pork was so tender and juicy,